Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. So for today's video, I decided to go ahead and do my second look using the Juvia's Place Wahala palette. Okay, so I've had this look in my head ever since I saw the palette and I decided to go ahead and really do it. I am in love with the look, the colors, the shimmers, the glitter. Like, this is full-on drama. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna start out with our eyes, and I'm gonna use the same technique that I used in my eyeshadow prep video to prep my eyeshadow base to get it ready for our eyeshadow. We want to make sure that our eyeshadow is gonna last like all day. Okay, for this video I'll be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 2, and I felt like Rumor 2 would give me that nice light base that would allow me to be able to get the intensity of the color that I needed. Today's video we're going to be using the Wahala palette from Juvia's Place. Do you guys see how gorgeous this palette is? I'm taking this blue shade and I'm going to put that directly in the middle of my eye, and you know, I'm just tapping it in and not blending it out yet. I'm just building up the intensity of the color. I'll be listing all the brushes that I used on the screen and also down below so you can see it, but I'm just building the color. I'm just building the color and not worrying about blending or anything yet. So just building it in, making sure my eyelid is matte and set. And if you notice, I did not look up whenever I started applying my base. I didn't look up before, and I didn't look up while I was applying because I didn't want my eyes to crease the shade. Next, I'm going in with that really pretty red shade in the palette. I'm going to lightly build it up. So first I did like a light transition shade and just blended that out to just test, the waters of, how I was, and just lightly blended it out just to give it a nice soft transition. And then I went in and just applied the color as intensely as I did the other one. I just applied it so that I know that it's going to show out, and that when I blow it up, it's also going to, give me that reddish to pinkish to purplish to blue transition, and that's why I did that. Next, I go in with that same brush that we used for our first shade, and I use that to blend the edges of both the red and the blue together to give me that beautiful purple transition into the red. Okay, so that's why I did it this way, because I didn't just want to go in with the pink, because the pink would have been equally as fine. I just had to go in with the red so I can get that very gorgeous pinkish purplish transition between the red and the blue, and that's why I did that. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive, and I'm using the glitter adhesive because it's fluid. It comes with an applicator, and I don't have to it's very easy to spread it out, and also control how much you're gonna put on your eyes. Because I do want the glitter to stick on there, I'm gonna fan my eyes a bit so it gets tacky. And of course, you don't want it to dry, but you don't want it to be super wet either, and you don't want to look up because you don't want to crease your eyeshadow, especially because it's glitter. You don't want to look up. And when I'm applying the glitter on there, I don't just tap it. I literally drag it on. I smooth it onto my eyelids. Okay, so I'm just smoothing the glitter onto my eyelids instead of just tapping it. So I tap and I smooth. It's like plaster. I push it down and then I make sure it's nice and smooth so that I know that it's adhered to my eyelids, and also I know that it's gonna stay and I just fall on my face once I'm done Okay, so just tap and smooth, tap and smooth, tap and smooth. Okay, apply and smooth. I'm sorry, I'm just having too much fun with this. Apply and smooth, okay? Just smooth it. Also, in the application, I'm not applying a very sharp line at the top. I'm blending it out so that it looks blown out. And once I'm done, I'm pushing it in and smoothing it out so I know that it's stuck to my eyelids. And then I took our blue transition shade and I blended the edges of the glitter shade out because I didn't want it to look like glitter sitting on top of the shade. I wanted it to look like the glitter was coming out of the shade. Okay, so blended out the edges of the glitter so that everything would be nice and gorgeous. Going in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and I'm going in with the Fourth Ray Turmeric Face Milk. Guys, I definitely overdid on the face milk. Like, what the hell was I thinking? I was like, what the hell? This is crazy. I'm going in with my foundation. I'll be doing a foundation review for this foundation and the shade range, and yeah, that was something. But we're gonna talk about that. Went in with my concealer, setting powder, using the Juvia's Place Chocolates palette as my contour, using the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1 as my blush, brows. So for my lower eyelids, which I'm going to do a video specific for this, I went ahead and applied some of the white Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas on my lower eyelids and also in my waterline. And I blended that out with a concealer brush, okay? I will do a specific video on how to make your lower eyelid show, your bottom lash line or your bottom lashes pop with eyeshadow and also with waterline color. But I'm applying the pink shade from the Juvia's Place palette directly into my waterline. So I'm using the pink shade from the Juvia's Place palette. I'm putting that in my waterline. I'm going in with that blue transition shade and I'm putting that directly below the pink and just packing it on. So after I packed on that blue, I really didn't blend it out. I just packed it on and left it alone. I'm just doing like a small tight line with the NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner. I'm just doing this because I want to be able to hide my lash band. Then I'm going in with a Pure Cosmetics Fully Charged mascara on my eyelid and, you know, blending that in. Going in with the Bonsu Beauty Flutter Trio. No. This is the Ohemaa Trio. No, is it Flutter Trio? I'm going with one of the Bonsu Beauty lashes. I cannot remember which one I used, but I know that it was the right one for this look, okay? I went in with the highlighter from the Chocolates palette, highlighted my face. So now I'm going in with this beautiful green shimmer shade. Like, I was so tempted to put it all over my eyelids, but I'm using that to highlight my inner corner because that gives like a little dimension to the look. It gives it like a little transition, kind of different, kind of gorgeous, kind of, ooh, what she got in her inner corner kind of look. And I'm going in with one of the ABH lippies. I will list that down below and also on the screen somewhere so you can see it. And guys, that completed my look. Okay, so the choker that I'm wearing is from True Face by Grace. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really sorry I had to just do the eyes because I'm actually doing a foundation test with the foundation. I didn't want to show you guys the foundation because then it would spoil the surprise in the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you will think about buying the Wahala palette whenever it comes back in stock. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Don't forget to use my code Ohemaa. Share this video, like and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. Notification bell so you can hear whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.